In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Deezer not playing songs. So let's get straight into the video. So Deezer needs a stable internet connection. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. If it is not working, try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data, or even restart your router. The second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and visit status.deezer.com, because sometimes Deezer may be down. If it is, then you might have no other options but to simply go ahead and wait. If that is not the case, make sure that you are not in the offline mode. Simply go ahead and head into the settings and then offline mode and turn this off. If that is not the case and you're on an Android device, you might need to simply go ahead and clear your cache or even restart your device. If your account doesn't have active subscription, then you might also face this problem. So simply go ahead and check if your account has the subscription active. If you use any kind of VPN or proxy connections, then this does interfere with Deezer and turn it off and play a song again. If none of it works, you might have no other options but to reinstall Deezer or just go to help.deezer.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.